Actually po, nandito na ang butihing si Engineer Malupeng at as he promised, nandito na tayo sa exact location na kung saan po ay nag-umpisa na, naumpisa na natin ang cementing program natin dito sa south end ng ano. Engineer, can you add some more information na maliban sa nabanggit ni Engineer Balusin na ito ay, ang mixture natin ay to be seasoned and cured for how long? Engineer Malupeng po?
Itong design niya is yung design niya is for a 15-day concrete. Dahil we are now running out of time, and therefore we must have to complete it by a shorter period.
15 days. Meaning to say, ulitin lang po natin, within 15 days, seasoned and cured na po. Inilatag natin.
But dun sa other span,
dun sa north, we'll call it
project, therefore we will be using the 7-day concrete also.
Mas maikli.
Mas maikli. Para at least magsabay silang mag-cure.
So pag na-cure na ito, kasi bandang we'll isusunod na po natin yung other end.
Yes, yung last na span, shall be using even shorter age concrete.
So
7 days.
7 days. Para ano, magkatugma rin sila rito.
7 days.
7 days. So after dun, after 7 days yun dun, sa end na dun, pwede nang ano, okay na. Season na.
Synchronize na sila at
I see. So ayun po ang ano, proseso. Dito sa south end ng bridge, ginamitan natin ng 15-day mixture at para mag-synchronize naman dun sa kabila, dun sa dulo, ayun.
Using
7-day concrete mixture. Nang sa kayo, pag natapos na doon, after 7 days doon, 15 days na rin dito. So, sabay nang pwedeng makatawag na natin cured and seasoned na po yung mixture na. Okay, maraming salamat, Engineer. So, ayan the same cycle po yung procedure. Doon kukuha doon sa may mixer yung bucket, kakargahan, and then iikot yung boom natin, and then ibababa dito. Then, i-spread out ng ating mga kasama dito. And then gagamitan ng vibrator or compactor yun para may spread out. Ano po, Engineer? Dun sa
actually yung vibrator for consolidation niya.
For consolidation.
Dali niya lahat yung mga voids.
Para ma-avoid natin na may mga bitak-bitak.
Yung voids sa loob, siyempre kung kahit complete yan, pero yung iris sa loob yan. I-excrete yun. And then of course, magiging dense yun. No voids.
No void. Walang space na walang simento.
Para yung concrete natin ay buong.
Oh yes, thank you. Yan po. At I was telling the good engineer na I came early, nakita ko pa yung pagpapadugo ng baboy. Then we started even the first bucket na i-video natin yan, and we have a real documentation of how this cementing of the south end of Magapil Suspension Bridge is done right away. This 14th day of the month of July year 2012. 14th, a very gloomy Saturday. Ito na yung kinakatakot ko kanina, Engineer. Baka
I hope that the weather will also cooperate.
Maging friendly sana. Kung ganito lang, wala lang bagsak ng ulan, it will be okay. Pero kung medyo tigatig lang, pwede nating takpan ng lona.
May pantakip naman po. Ready.
So,
required din.
Except kung talagang downpour na malakas ang ulan, so we have to dispense muna with the process. Ayan So here we are, medyo yung space na lagyan na natin ng simento is medyo malawak-lawak na rin for a span of say mga 20 minutes or 30 minutes ago. So this is how fast the job is being done. There goes another bucket going up at dadaan din sa dating ruta, papaikutin and ibabag. Maraming salamat, Engineer.